Coochy Body Rash-Free Shave Cream 4 ounces original. Coochy Rash-Free Shave Cream Oh So Original is an alluring array of light floral scents with a hint of baby powder freshness. Part 1 of the Coochy Shave System. Female Intimate Shave Cream features, paraben-free, sugar-free, sulfate-free. The original and ultimate rash-free shave cream. Made with hair and skin softening agents for a smooth, rash-free shave. Ingredient plus benefits. Jojoba seed oil skin lubricating, moisturizing. Panthenol Pro vitamin B5 nutrient for skin. Allantoin anti-inflammatory, anti-irritant. Hydrolyzed hair keratin protein to condition skin and hair. The best body shave cream for sexy skin everywhere. Helps prevent embarrassing shave bumps and ingrown hairs left behind by other shave products. Protects skin during shaving and provides a smooth, moisturizing shave to any part of the body. Coochy Shave Cream softens even the coarsest body hair. Perfect for intimate shaving as well as all areas of the body, including legs and underarms. Formulated with jojoba plus skin and hair conditioning agents for an extra smooth shave. 4 ounces bottle. No animal testing. Classic erotica. Made in USA. Healfast Repair Cream. Healfast Repair Cream is excellent for all types of skin maladies and irritations. This gentle cream can be used on people of all ages from children to adults. The concept behind Healfast comes from the study of how the skin repairs itself. When a skin irritation occurs, the body naturally tries to rush nutrients to the problem areas so that it can heal or repair itself. The reason it takes several days to even weeks for some things to heal is because the body has only limited amounts of nutrients that can be sourced to the problem. Healfast is formulated using Ovasum technology to source nutrients from herbal and food-based ingredients. This technology provides the skin with all of the vitamins, minerals, and proteins that are necessary for life. This creates a nutrient-rich environment on the body that promotes healthy normal skin. The customers have used Healfast Repair Cream for the following: dry skin, cuts, burns, to prevent scarring after plastic surgery, chapped skin lips, sunburn, diaper rash, eczema, cradle cap, abrasions, insect bites, bed sores and more. Healfast Repair Cream is also the perfect daily moisturizer for face, neck, hands, feet, and everywhere in between. The cream has exceptional penetration to provide immediate relief and visible improvement for distressed skin. With the fragrance-free formulation, your skin will feel soft and moist and not greasy and smelly. This cream is excellent for preventing stretch marks during pregnancy. Doctor recommended. This cream is the original L of Veneer Healfast Repair Cream, just with new packaging. Alloy Rose Flower Accessories Set for Jewelry Scarves Christmas. The delivery was prompt and the packaging was professional. The pendant is exactly as pictured. I am truly proud to own this piece of scarf jewelry. It will add some class to any scarf worn. Mistura Beauty Compact 1 Shade for All Skin. Directions for use: using a small amount of powder, buff the 6-in-1 beauty solution onto face in a circular motion, starting on the outside of cheekbone and swirling as you go. Continue to blend over forehead, face, and nose. Apply liberally to cheeks to achieve desired blush effect. May also be used as an eyeshadow and lip color. Remember, a little goes a long way. Stratoderm Scar Therapy Gel 10G. Helps reduce redness and discoloration of the wound back to normal. Has been developed to be compatible with all kinds of scars: general surgery, trauma wounds, chronic wounds, keloid, burns, bites, acne and other skin diseases. The product is recommended. The 2002 International Clinical Recommendations on Scar Management. How to use: apply a thin wound 2 times a day. The wound must be closed time, the recommended minimum of 60-90 days. Depending on the size and nature of the wound.